Hello everybody and welcome to this full-length video of Kabir Kouba Cliff and the Waterfall Park Trail. Because the waterfall sound is too loud, I have recorded voiceover when I get back from the trail, except for the last part of the video. So first, you have to cross this bridge over the Saint Charles River. In front of you, you can see the church Notre-Dame de Lorette, built in 1730. This place is Oni Red Sea, meaning our ancient root. This is a fountain, and periodically a flame is lit in the center. The waterfall is 28-meter high and is surrounded by a canyon reaching up to 42 meters in height. The park is home to a rich array of flora and fossils that date back more than 455 million years. And now a few historical key points. The site features several ruins, remnant of a once thriving industrial area near the waterfall. The Lorette Waterfall was first utilized in 1732 by the Jesuits, who built a flour mill. Before the mill, settlers ground grain at the neighboring Moulin des Mères Hospitalières. The arrival of the Wendat people in 1687 and population increase led to the construction of the mill. After the Jesuit order was abolished, the land became British Crown properties. By 1807, the mill was in disrepair. In 1853, Joseph Falato became the first private owner. The flour mill shared the water flow with the new paper mill built by Willis Russell in 1854. The mill changed hands several times until it was destroyed by fire on August 1 in 1900, along with the paper mill. A sad story, indeed. And now a few geological info. The Kabir Kouba waterfall marks the meeting point of two distinct geological regions: the Saint Lawrence lowland, the park, and the Canadian Shield, the waterfall. In the sedimentary rocks of the park, numerous fossils can be observed. One fascinating feature of the park is its pothole, circular hole formed by the rotational action of a small stone trapped in depression. The water current causes these small stones to spin, eroding the wall of the depression. Larger stones join the smaller one, and the pothole grows bigger. The largest pothole in the park has a depth of 5 feet. The Central River Canyon was carved after the glaciation by the erosion caused by water flow from Lake Central over the rocky substrate. This substrate is composed of very hard and resistant rock, the gneiss, covered by much softer rock, limestone. The water first carved through the soft limestone until it reached the hard to erode gneiss, creating the waterfall and a canyon 40 meter deep. About. It is estimated that the canyon erodes at a rate of 3 to 4 millimeters per year. In this small cave are three Meta-ovalis female. This is a close-up view of what it looks like. So this is it for the trail that I wanted to show this morning. It is the Kabir Kouba River Fall and the continuation of the river Saint-Charles. So I've just climbed the steepest part, and after I go back here I will just come back at the top of the long stair you saw we climbed earlier. So that was the trail. So that's it. So I will leave it to that, and I hope you enjoy.